Elon Musk and sentient robots. A topic discussed on many interviews and Joe Rogan podcasts, Tesla may pioneer the future of modern robotics by announcing their new helper robot with a bang. From design to Mars colonization, all will be explained in the video. The Tesla bot may contribute to our lives in various ways. From cleaning the house to washing the dishes and even fixing your car, the AI wonder will be designed to actively learn from human behavior and dynamically adjust itself to any day-to-day challenges you throw its way. And you can also bust some sick moves. Tesla, a company known for their environmentally friendly electric cars, is also a member of the market for AI automation of everyday tasks, well demonstrated with their self-driving car software. So a leap towards machine-automated human assistance is to be expected. The robot will be equipped with multiple cameras and sensors, and learn from everyday mistakes to improve itself over time. The Tesla bot will be almost 6 feet tall and weigh 125 pounds, but with a walking speed of only 5 miles per hour, you can easily outrun it. It can carry no more than 45 pounds, but can apparently deadlift over 150, so it can definitely help you move. It is also speculated that the Tesla bot may be put to use by Elon Musk's Mars colonization efforts. The robot can be one of the first colonizers of the Red Planet and prepare the terrain for later human arrival. Doesn't this sound like a plot for a movie? But what about the downsides of such technology entering our day-to-day lives? The main concern seems to be one of security. With all its moving cameras and access to sensitive information, concerns about criminal activity and your bot getting hacked are easy to come by. Some even say that slight alterations in the programming may result in bulletproof metal thieves running around and stealing safes from banks. Seems chilling. Anyway, what do you think the future holds for such technology? All answers will be appreciated in the comments.